Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So we have started with the series of modal auxiliaries. Last time we learnt about can and could. So today we are going to learn about should and must. So should and must are two important modal auxiliaries which are used multiple times. So let us learn where to use should and where to use must. Should is a kind of advice where you can suggest something to someone, and must is a kind of advice but along with a compulsory action. For example, should in Hindi karna chahiye and must in Hindi karna hi chahiye. So let us learn should and must with an examples. So should, you should complete your work on time. You should get up early in the morning, a kind of advice. When it comes with must, you must complete your work before time, you must wake up early morning. So should and must are simple actions, but they are talking about one advice and the other is a compulsory actions. So you can make multiple statements every day and keep practicing. Thank you so much.